For 47 years, this enormous machine remained hidden inside a flooded spillway. When the reservoir was drained, Mara's team discovered its 3 giant wheels buried beneath mud and mineral deposits. The damage around the floodgate suggested that Stoneback had not simply broken down. Something important had happened here. Before Stoneback could be moved, the damaged gate and weakened chamber had to be secured. The team drained the remaining water, cleared hardened sediment, and slowly freed all 3 wheels. Lifting bags and a temporary steel roadway allowed the giant to leave its underwater prison without causing further damage. Inside the workshop, Mara opened the sealed brass container recovered from the cabin. The preserved film revealed Stoneback's final mission. In 1979, its operator deliberately drove the machine against a failing floodgate, holding it closed long enough for 12 workers to escape. Stoneback had been sacrificed to save their lives. Decades underwater had weakened the central frame, while the impact against the gate had twisted its main spine. The team built a rigid alignment jig, straightened the surviving structure, and replaced only the steel that could no longer be saved. Electrolysis removed the deep corrosion without destroying the original metal. Stoneback's original V12 engine was completely seized, but its main components were still repairable. The cylinders, crankshaft, fuel system, and hydraulic equipment were carefully rebuilt. When no replacement could be found for the shattered steering gear, the team created a new bronze gear, using the surviving fragments as a guide. Each of Stoneback's 3 massive wheel assemblies was rebuilt with new bearings, seals, and specially recreated tires. The corroded armor was repaired without changing its strange, animal-like shape. Dark Obsidian Gunmetal paint, deep crimson mechanical details, and restored amber lights returned the machine to its original appearance. The rebuilt V12 returned to the repaired chassis, followed by the hydraulic lines, cabin, and restored armor. The single front wheel was installed first, then exactly 2 rear wheels completed Stoneback's original triangular layout. After 47 silent years, every major component was finally back in its correct position. After a complete safety inspection, Stoneback's original V12 started once again. Its single front wheel steered smoothly, while the 2 rear wheels delivered power during the first controlled test. Beside the repaired spillway, a former dam worker welcomed back the machine that had once been sacrificed to save 12 lives.